Hello everyone, my name is Olga Borisova. I am biologist and geneticist, and I'm specializing in mitochondria. Today I want to share with you how you can gain insight into your longevity genetics if you have had your genome sequenced. Recently, some friends of mine from the longevity community invited me to collaborate on a project called Just-DNA-Seq. You can find actually and reach our team through the website. Our aim is to provide everyone with the opportunity to uncover insights within their genomes. And this project is open source. We noticed that while research on longevity genetics is advancing every year, the results are often inaccessible to a general public. Even when individuals have their genome commercially sequenced, the information in these reports about longevity is often lacking. That's why we decided to launch this project. So to address this gap, we've been working with available longevity S&P databases, such as the LongevityMate, the hugest one. This means that everyone with a sequenced genome from now can access additional information about their longevity genetics through our platform. Additionally, we have included information about genetics health risks that may impact lifespan, such as cardiovascular disease, and implemented polygenic risk scores for various diseases and longevity chart. If you have your genome's raw data available, you can access our reports through our open source platform. It's easy and takes little time, and I will walk you through the process step by step. So let's uncover the secrets hidden within our DNA together for a healthier and longer life. So once you have had your genome sequenced and want to discover more than standard reports offer, the first step is to download your sequencing data in VCF format. Since I had my sequencing done with Nebula Genomics, I can show you how to download your VCF file from Nebula Genomics. So the first thing that you need is to go to Nebula Genomics website and to log in your account. Since I've done here my sequence, of course, I have here my account. So you are logging in, and I believe if you've done your sequencing in some other provider, it looks pretty much the same. So here at the website, I've logged in, and this is my account. I can see some standard reports that Nebula offers. But the thing that I need now is to get my raw data to analyze them like in OAkbar or other software. So here you should go to the results section and then click download your data. Okay, so here you can see pretty much of different formats in which you can download and save your sequence data, but the one we need now, the small one, easy to proceed with and easy to analyze, is VCF file. So you are just clicking download, and download begins. Now that you have downloaded your VCF file containing your sequenced genome, the next step for analysis is to create an OAkbar account. OAkbar is quite a powerful tool used in medical genetics. Here you can manually analyze S&Ps and also download a detailed Just-DNA-Seq report that provides information about longevity genes and common risks like cardiovascular, ECS cancer, etc. You can install OAkbar on your computer by using Store, but it requires significant free space and time. Alternatively, you can use our server for this purpose. The link to access can be found in the description. Once you are there, you will need to create your account. So you are just copy-paste the link and coming into OAkbar. And then what you need is to sign in or to create your account if you have not yet been signed in. Creating an account actually is very, very easy. So actually what you need to do is just to type your email and to think about and to create your password. That's it. I already have an account, but it doesn't matter if you don't have one. One more time, it's very, very easy. So you're just signing up. Okay, success, it's good. And now you're already in your account created specifically for you. What you need to do now is to download your VCF file to be analyzed. Here it will take some time, but anyway, you go to the Analyze section, and then you have to choose your file. Since I just downloaded, I believe it is somewhere in downloads, so I'm just trying to find it. Okay, yeah, here it is. I'm just selecting it. And. So here you can see our file that we have chosen, and here you can choose genome assembly if you know which one it was. If you not, just let it be auto, format auto, it's good. Here you already have by default some reports that your genome will be annotated to. It's Just-DNA-Seq reports about longevity SNPs, superhuman genes, and some VCF reporters that we need to analyze your genome. If you do want to choose some additional options and to play with your genome by analyzing it like manually, here you can see different annotators about cardiovascular diseases, ClinVar, different cancer reporters and annotators that can be added. But by default, it's already selected, and you just need to click Annotate button. It will take pretty much time, so just take your cup of coffee and relax. So, once the work is already finished, you can go to the Results section, and here you will see Finished. When the work is still going, you will see some line and some huge number. When it's already finished, it usually takes some time. You can just click on a button View to see your results. Mostly it takes also a little bit of time, but not so much. 1-2 minutes or something like that. And here you will see your results, and you will be able to download the report with your genetic data. So as you see, there are so many variants. You can apply some filters if you want to analyze your genome manually, but that filters will be highly depend on which analyzers you have selected. But what we do need now is to go to the reports section. And here you can see all the reports you can just download. What you need now is longevity to report. You have to select first of one, it will be generate, and then just click on download button. When you download it, it will appear in downloads, most probably, and then you can just open your report and see how it looks like. It's my longevity report. So you see it's consists on a few sections. Longevity variants, longevity drugs is how you react on some drugs that are used in later life, major risks like cardiovascular diseases, etc., and polygenic risk scores. And you can select one of the sections. Here goes description, and you see different pathways which contribute to longevity. For example, you want to discover a little bit more about mitochondria. So you're going to that section, see some description, and can go to the results. Results marked green are like positive genetical variants, marked red, negative ones, and you can see some recommendations according to your genetic data. So you can just discover some interesting things about your genome, about longevity drugs, about risks that you probably may develop, like lipid metabolism, how you metabolize lipids, except several particular SNPs. You can also look how polygenic risk scores look like for different diseases like coronary arteriosclerosis, etc. So, of course, it will take you some time to read this report, and if you have question, you can always ask our genetic genie, our custom GPT model, which can help you with genetics. So enjoy, and please ask if you have some questions.